Are you thinking about booking a 2-bedroom grand suite on Explorer the Seas? It's also been known as the family suite. It's the same on most of the Voyager Class ships, but today we are going to dive right into it. I'll show you around, let you know what's here, and if you stay to the end, I'll let you know what perks are included in this suite. Hi, I'm Thia, and welcome to Traveling with Thia. Welcome to cabin 8394, which is a 2-bedroom grand suite. As you walk in, on your left, you will find the first bedroom, which is the guest bedroom, and this holds up to 4 people, so you can put 2 here, and then in the ceiling there are beds that drop down, and those will hold 2 more people, so you could have 4 people in this cabin. It has a nice vanity here. You can see my charging station over there, which is a non-USB charging port, as well as my phone, AirPod, and Apple Watch charger, and I'll link all those below. But there is plenty of room here with lots of storage, and behind the door is a nice big cabinet with lots of storage. As you can tell, we're already in this room. We've been here for a week. We are in Ravenna, Italy. As you go across the hall, you come to a door, which is a walk-in closet. And this would service that guest bedroom. It's pretty large, as you can see. And then, straight across the hall from that is the guest bathroom, which is about the size of any bathroom on a Royal Caribbean ship. Plus it has upgraded Malin and Goat's bath amenities. When you keep going through that hall, you'll reach another door, which leads to your master bedroom, which is a really good size. It's bigger than most cabins. As you can see, it too has a vanity with storage, and behind the door is a cabinet for storage. And then you go into your master bathroom, which has a sought after tub, as well as the Malin and Goat bath amenities as well. As you come out, you have 2 closets with even more storage, and my husband's clothes. You may be wondering why we have a 2-bedroom grand suite for just the 2 of us, but I have restless leg syndrome, so I do not sleep well with others. So I keep my own room, and he has his. We've done this for 20-something years, and it works well for us. As you leave the bedroom, above the TV is a small safe. It is just big enough for your passport and your wallet, but there's plenty of storage here. And then as you go out, there's a nice dining table that makes great for room service. And then here in the family room area, you have even more storage. The couch pulls out to sleep 2 more people. Over here we have a special gift because we are members of the Crown and Anchor Society, as well as the waters are from that. We are on a European trip, so we have a tea kettle. We have a Lavazza coffee machine. Probably one of the biggest questions most people have is about the balcony. It is a huge balcony with 3 lounge chairs and a table for 4. But the question is always about the obstructed view, so I wanted to let you see that for yourself. It hasn't really bothered us too much. I will say, if I'm trying to get video for my channel, it is a little bit difficult if we just go outside. But in general, we really love sitting back here and seeing the back of the boat. There are a few more noises in the back of the boat than there are in other places. So now that we finished our tour, let's talk about the benefits that you get in this 2-bedroom grand suite on Explorer the Seas. When you arrive, you'll get a welcome letter from your concierge, who will have contacted you 1 week before. It will tell you all the benefits that you get, such as free business services, such as faxes and copies. You get complimentary room service, which is fantastic. You get complimentary pressing on formal night, before your first formal night. So you'll need to let your stateroom attendant know if you want something pressed, And it doesn't have to be your ball gown. It can be any kind of thing you want. I'm having 2 dresses pressed for this cruise. There's a cocktail hour every evening in the Suites Lounge from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. And with that comes heavy hors d'oeuvres. There's exclusive breakfast at Chops every morning. There is also, if you miss that, there's continental breakfast in the Concierge Club from 7 till 10 a.m. All throughout the day at different times, there will also be snacks put through in the Concierge Lounge. Like there's cookies in the middle of the day, and there's also in the Concierge Lounge, there is a coffee machine, which is a huge hit, and it does specialty coffees. Like I mentioned in our tour, you get luxurious Malin and Goats bath amenities. You also get use of the luxury Royal Caribbean bathrobes, and those are really nice. So there you have it. The benefits of booking the 2-bedroom Grand Suite on Explore the Seas. We have thoroughly enjoyed this room. Fortunately, we have one more week of it. So if you ever have a chance, do a back-to-back. It's really fantastic. And if you get a chance to book this stateroom, it is $83.94, and we are on Explore the Seas. Thanks for watching. I'm Thea. Have a great day.